sometimes yun ang sometimes so kailangan paspas kayo, very ordered na dapat ang so we start with the head. So we start with the hair. So describe the hair. The hair is black. Tapos it's well distributed or evenly distributed. No patterns of balding. Okay. And then you also palpate to try to feel the texture of the hair, whether it's dry, it's coarse, it's moist. Fine hair. Tapos we check the scalp. So yung testing for the scalp is you try to separate the hair from different areas of the head. Try to see if there's any lesions, any scars, any deformities, any lice, needs. And then you check for tenderness. Pag the tenderness, kailangan pipindutin nyo. Huwag nyo sasabihin ng negative tenderness na hindi nyo pinipindot. Okay? Then you check the temporal arteries. So temporal arteries, not visible, but you can palpate it. So kailangan mapapalpate. So when you describe it, so yun sa pag-report nyo, pwedeng when you're doing it, you are reporting already. Mas maganda yon. Kaysa yung gagawin nyo muna, tapos sa kanyo ibibigay yung report at the end, minsan nauubos ang time, tsaka nakakalimutan.
Pwede na yung inspection at saka yung palpation simultaneous.
Simultaneous. So the hair is black, well distributed, no patterns of baldness, it's smooth, okay. Tapos so no scars, no lesions. Tapos non-tender. Yung iba nire-report nila na the scalp moves along the cranium. Huwag na yun, hindi na nire-report yun. Okay, tapos the temporal arteries are not visible. Okay, tapos susunod the face. So the face is oval in shape, brown in color, it is symmetrical. Okay, diba? Symmetrical. Tapos good eye contact, appropriate facial expression. So kasama yan, kasi sa face, hindi din-describe yung facial expression tsaka yung kung merong eye contact with the patient, no? Tapos no lesion, there's some lesions. Kung meron kayong nakitang lesions, merong moles, merong warts or merong sugat or whatever, you have to describe sabihin nyo na lang, multiple hyperpigmented lesions or hyperpigmented areas along the face, no? Hindi na kailangan isa-isahin. So, tapos, try to check if there are any abnormal fascie. Wala naman, no abnormal fascie. Okay? Tapos, symmetrical on both sides. So, yun na, face na yun. Okay? We go to the eyes. Sa eyes naman, from the outward going inside. So, check the eyebrows. So, the eyebrows is black, well distributed, smooth. Okay? Tapos, no nits, no lice. Okay, then we check the orbits. Okay? So, orbits and the eyeball. So, checking for protrusion. Okay, so the eyeball is there is no exophthalmos, no enophthalmos. Okay, eyeballs is not shrunken, no? Tapos you try to palpate the globe if there's any tenderness. May masakit doon. Okay, So, yun na yung sa globe. Ano pa ba? Tropion, entropion, exophthalmos, enophthalmos, no? Kung may shrunken eyeballs, wala naman, no? Oh, so pupunta na tayo sa eyelids. So yung eyelids, so check the eyelids and eyelash, magkasama yan. So eyelids, brown in color, no deformities, no lesions, no ectropion, entropion, no swelling. Eyelashes are directed outward and upward. Well distributed. Yan na. Ha? Tapos, conjunctiva in sclerae. So, you ask the patient to look up. Pagka sinabing conjunctiva in sclerae, you are checking both na. Look up. Nakita nyo na yung conjunctiva, nakita nyo na yung sclerae, di ba? So, di-describe mo na, the conjunctiva is pinkish in color, no congestion, no lesions, no ulcerations, no? Tapos, the sclerae is white, not congested. Ayan na. Okay? Then, you check the cornea and the iris, sabay naman sila. Cornea and iris. Check natin. Ask the patient to look straight ahead. And then shine the light from the side. Ayan, nakikita nyo na yung iris. Iris. Parang pinagsamang eyelids and iris. Sa cornea, yun. Oh, so, di-describe mo naman, cornea is transparent, no opacity, no ulcerations, no foreign body. Tapos yung iris merong isang special class, sabi niya, iris is blue. Sabi ko, can you check again? Are you sure blue? Sabi niya, that's the first time that I see Filipinos with blue eyes.
Na-memorize niyo na.
Minemorize yun. So, make sure na, so, Pilipino naman yung lahat ng pasyente natin, brown ang sclerae, ang iris. Round and brown in color. No? Tapos kung matanda, kung minsan meron sila yung arcus senilis. Yung arcus senilis, puti na nasa periphery siya ng cornea. So, i-describe mo whether it's an arcus senilis or circus senilis. Pag circus senilis, arc lang siya. Pag circus, circle, pag arcus, nasa taas lang siya. Half lang. Okay. After that, you check the pupils na. So, una, you check the pupils, the shape, the size, if it's equal on both sides, equally reactive to light and accommodation. Yan lang. So, you check check muna the size and the shape. Yan, so the iris, the pupils, round, black, hindi na black kasi basta size and shape na lang. Approximately around 3 millimeters in size, symmetrical on both sides or equal on both sides. Tapos checking for light reflex. Tingin sa akin, trace ng direction. Okay, medyo malakas ito flashlight, peram ng pen light. Ayan, so tingin diretso sa akin, Grace. So this is for direct light reflex. Nahihina rin. Meron ba ibang may pen light? So tingin ng diretso sa akin. Yun, So that's pure for direct light reflex. Tinitingnan mo kung saan yung light. Then consensual, sabihin nyo, palagay nyo yung kamay ng patient doon. Grace, lagay mo yung kamay dito sa gitna. And then, you shine the light here, and then you look here. Kasi yung consensual light reflex Diba? So, tingin sa akin diretso, Grace. So, mahirap makita. So, tingin diretso sa akin. Yun, basta ganun, So that is checking for, don't forget that you have to do it on both sides. Okay? So pupils equally reactive to light and accommodation. Yung accommodation, di pa pala natin ginagawa. So tingin din sa akin. Okay? Sundan lang yun, Okay. Focus dito. Tapos wag gagalaw ang ulo, Sundan. Okay, so there should be convergence of the eyes. So pupils equally reactive to light and accommodation ang report ni doon.
Yung size din po ng
Size ng pupils?
pag nag-constrict.
Hindi na.
Hindi na po.
Basta yung di-describe nyo na size, yung at the unlighted, yung normal size niya. Ha? Pagka nag-constrict kasi, wag nyo na i-describe na it went down to 1 mm to 2 mm sabihin na. No? Okay? And after that, yung ano na, yung vision test na, so just ask the patient to hawakan the glaze. Takpan mo yung kaliwang mata mo. Nagsasalamin ka ba? Takpan ng kaliwa. Basahin mo ito yung sa... Basahin mo itong sa ituturo pa. Ganun dapat, ha? Huwag ito, ha? Ganyan. Makita na presento. Huwag yung guide. Teka mo na. Okay, then. Cover the right eye. Yung kanan na may takpan. Yan. Tapos, ito medyo malayo ng konti. Kailangan it should be yan, ganyan, ha? So, ganyan kalayo dapat. Around 2 feet. Ha? Mga dalawang salita lang, okay na yan. Ha? So, make sure na i-cover yung isang eye. Ha? Tapos na. Yung ophthalmoscopy, sabi ko nga, optional na lang. Optional lang yun. Ha? So, 10 minutes, yung palang ice bath.
11 minutes
Eh,
na.
siyempre, meron akong mga sinasabi.
Wala pang pundas.
Okay, next is we go to the ears. So, ears. So, i-check lang yung... So, ears is brown in color, triangular in shape. Ayoko nga pala yung triangular. So, huwag na sabihin triangular. So, it is brown. Tapos, it is symmetrical on both sides. Tapos, check for if there's any lesions. Wala naman. So, no lesions, no scars. Tapos, you pull. May masakit dyan. So, no tenderness. Okay? Don't forget to check the mastoid area for tenderness. Ha? So, dito sa likod. Yan, may masakit ba dyan? Wala. Okay. Then, next, you check for the external auditory canal. So, external auditory canal. You shine the light here. So, you go up and backwards. Mahirap yung ano. Mas maganda yung otoscope. Or maliwanag dapat na. Ayun, ha? Pagka inilawan yung ganyan, hindi nyo makikita yung iba dun sa special class. Inilawan ganyan, nireport na pinkish, pearly white, tympanic membrane. Sabi ko, ang galing. Umabot hanggang dun. Ang makikita nyo lang yan, dito lang, ha? So, kaya di-describe nyo lang siya na external auditory canal is pinkish in color or ano bang ano? Kasi ano siya eh. Hindi, teka. Hindi naman siya ba? Brown in color or
Light.
kasi parang may cold ano siya eh.
Pale skin tone. Skin tone.
Brown color na lang. Light brown in color. Tapos sasabihin nyo na it is patent. Ha? Tapos no discharge, no cerumen, no bleeding, no foreign body. No false smelling discharge. Ha? So make sure na ganun lang sa pag-ilaw. Ha? If you're just checking the external auditory canal. Ha? Sa kabila rin, ganun rin.
Yung kanina, ginanon ko.
Okay, ha? So yun. Tapos yung let the patient forward tayong konti guys. Yan, sige po. So, tapos sabihin mo sa akin kung naririnig mo sa babanggitin ko sa iyo, ha? Ulitin mo, ha? Yan, so ganun lang. Or, pwedeng sabihin mo rin, ito naririnig mo ba ito? Ito na, yan. Ito yung mga different test for hearing, ha? Pwede rin ito. Sabihin mo kung saan side ako nagkiklik, ha? So, pwede rin yan. Ha? Pwedeng whisper words, pwedeng clicking watch, watch ticking, pwedeng hair, pwedeng yung snapping of fingers. Pero pag snapping of fingers, yung sabi mo, ituturo mo kung saan side mo naririnig. Ha? Kung minsan, wag mong susundan ng pattern. Eh, pagka may pattern, na-pre-predict niya yan. So, kung minsan, ulitin mo dyan, tapos sa kabila. Okay? And then, otoscopy is optional. Ha? So, tinuro ko na naman sa inyo kung paano mag-otoscopy, di ba? Yung parang naghahawak ka ng ballpen. Ganun mag-otoscopy. Ha? Okay, so finish na. Yan na yung ano natin. For the ears, nose. So, nose, shape, triangular in shape, symmetrical on both sides. No flaring of ala nasi. Okay, no discharge. Okay. Tapos you check for patency. So patency is you ask the patient to cover
Paper.
takpan mo yung kaliwang butas ng ilong. Kaliwang butas ng ilong. Yan. Tapos low ka dito.
Sure na.
Kasi matigas.
Matigas.
Anyway, tissue na lang, tama. So, i-check nyo lang yung patency. Ha? So, kasama yon sa examination. To check for patency. Tapos, so no flaring of, so the nose is triangular in shape, brown in color, no lesions, no scars, no flaring of ala nasi, no discharge. Okay? Then you shine the light. Check for the vestibule. Yan. So presence, the vestibule is pinkish in color. Pinkish na nga lang, pati dito. Kasi yun ang usual description naman natin, basta mucosa eh. No? So yan, no? So pinkish in color. Presence of vibrissae, yung mga buhok-buhok. Tapos the septum is in the midline. No deviation. Tapos you can also see the turbinates, yung pinaka-posterior. We only see the middle and posterior turbinates. Hindi natin nakikita yung anterior turbinate. Ha? And so it's also pinkish in color. Ayan. Tapos na. Then we check the
Hindi na po ka na mag-nasal speculum.
nasal speculum. Hindi na.
17
Ha?
minutes.
Basta ganun na lang. You lift up the nose and then shine the light to check the vestibule. Ha? Tapos nun yung sinuses. So sinuses, you check first for tenderness. Frontal. Wala. Okay, so negative tenderness. Then you check for transillumination. Yung iba dito, mali yan. Dito. Mahina kasi yung ilaw kaya hindi makikita. Meron dyan for your frontal sinuses. Yan. Then for your maxillary, medyo bend. Tapos open your mouth. Dapat may makikita kang light doon sa loob. Ha? Doon sa loob. So pag nireport nyo yan, positive transillumination test for both frontal and maxillary sinuses. Okay, so tapos na yon. Then we go to the mouth. So mouth, we describe first the lips. So lips is pinkish in color. Tapos dry. Tapos no scaly, no presence of lesions, no bleeding, okay, no fissures, okay. Then you check the labial mucosa and the buccal mucosa. Yung buccal mucosa yun dito. Tapos yun sa ano dito. You also check the gingiva. Also, yung ngiti mo lahat. Try to be gentle as possible. You check for the teeth kung merong missing teeth, presence of dental caries. So pag na-report nyo yun, so buccal mucosa is pinkish in color, no lesions, no deformities, no ulcerations. Ha? Paulit-ulit lang, ganun yan. Ha? Then, check the gingiva if there's any hypertrophy or atrophy of the gingiva. Ha? Pati sa taas. Most of the time dito, pwede na dito sa lower na lang. Then, checking for the teeth. Teeth is incomplete with some missing teeth, presence of dental caries. Ha? Okay, then we check the tongue. So yung tongue, labas ang dila. Okay, check the moisture of the tongue. If it, check the position if it's in the middle. If there's any tremors, you also check the papilla, no? See, yun yung papilla niya, nasa likod, no? So tongue is in the midline, moist. Tapos, i-move mo yung tongue mo right to left. Yan. Okay, so can move the tongue from right to left. No tremors, no lesions. Tapos you check the under the tongue for the frenulum. Yan, yung frenulum yun. You check the color, whether it is pale, icteric, or pinkish in color. Okay? Okay, after that, you check the tonsils and the pharynx. Check ano pala, don't forget to check the palate, the hard and the soft palate. Dito sa malangala. Check for any bony outgrowths like your torus palatinus. So, again, ganun rin description. The hard and soft palate is pinkish in color, moist, no lesions, no deformities. Tragus. Helix. Ito. And tragus ito.
This is the front.
Oh, ito. Tapos yung anti-tragus, yung katapat niya na
Ito.
helix.
Thank you.
Okay. So you check the... Say, Ayun, So check the position of the uvula. If it's in the midline or shifted to the right or left. If there's bifid uvula, i-describe mo. Check the pharynx. Check the tonsils and the posterior pharyngeal wall. Again, ganun rin report niya. No? So, no swelling, no congestion, pinkish in color, moist, no tonsillopharyngeal congestion, no exudates. When you say exudates, may ibig sabihin mayroong mga puti-puti. May mga pus. No? Ayun. Meron pa ba? Tayo na-miss? Wala na. So, nakakapagod.
Pag may bad,
Dito re-report mo rin. Positive halitosis. Sasabihin. Halitosis. Okay?
Hindi masyadong obvious sa pasyente.
Huwag niyo sasabihin na ano. Okay? Now, check for the neck. So, neck na tayo. So, the neck is brown in color. No lesions. No scars. Symmetrical on both sides. You check for the muscles. Sternocleidomastoid muscle and your trapezius muscles. Okay? So, good muscle development. Okay, check the position of the trachea. So, trachea is in the midline. Okay, then check the thyroid. So, ang thyroid either in the front or in the back. Pero most of the time, we do it in the back. Okay, lunok. So, you try to see if it moves with deglutition, that is your thyroid gland. Then after that, you check the different lymph nodes. So, post-auricular, pre-auricular, submandibular, submental, then your deep cervical, then your occipital nose, your supraclavicular. Then, finally, your range of motion of the neck. So, raise yung baba, idikit sa dibdib. Okay, patalikod. Okay, yung baba, idikit sa balikat, tapos sa kabila. Okay. Yung tenga, idikit sa balikat, kabila. Okay, so 6 range of motion yun, ha? So, flexion, extension, lateral bending to the right and left, and then your lateral rotation. Ganun ang baba, ha? So, full range of motion, intact full range of motion, no tenderness. Ha? Then sa lymph nodes, sasabihin nyo, no cervical lymphadenopathy. Okay, finish. Oh, question. Eh, kaya kailangan yun, you try to find the ways na habang ginagawa nyo, nire-report nyo na rin. Ha? Nire-report nyo na rin.
Naku na po additional time yun.
Talagang 10 minutes lang talaga.
25.
Ang dami nga eh, dun sa special